Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and you are watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another tech video. Now this is the 28th video of our newly created technical series called ServiceNow. So in my last video, we have understood a very important concept, which is actually two very important concepts. The first one is the order guide. So we have seen how with the help of the order guide, you can order multiple request item within a single request, right? That was very helpful. And also we have seen record producer where you can create directly a task record like incident, change or problem. And we have also seen the use cases where these things or like why we need these things, right? So that video was there, and today's video is gonna be very interesting. But if you missed that video, don't worry, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and also you can find the link right now here on my screen. So today's video is gonna be very interesting, guys. So as you have seen the name, yes, so we are going to create the catalog item for iPhone 14, brand new catalog item we are going to create. So we have learned different things about service catalog. In this video, we are going to create a new catalog item of iPhone 14. So make sure you watch the full video, guys, and we will together create the catalog item. Watch the full video so that you can clear your all concept. Okay. So let's go and start the video. Okay, so as you already know, like I told you, so we are learning the service catalog inside of ServiceNow, and I've told you already that we are going to cover it up with three videos. So the first video, that is different components of service catalog, already uploaded in my channel. Last video that I've uploaded is the order guides and record producer, and today we are going to discuss about the catalog item, and not discuss, we're going to create it with the help of the catalog builder. So let's go and let's understand about the catalog builder quickly, and then I'll move to my PDI and I'll show you how you can create the iPhone 14 catalog item using the catalog builder. Okay, let's go. So what is catalog builder? So catalog builder is simply providing you the opportunity to create a catalog item quickly, right? So you can create template here and you can follow the template. So you can see this is a picture from the ServiceNow documentation page, and you can see how it is being created. So first, catalog admin creates template for a business group. So templates are being created here, and you'll see when I'll show you. Then business owner gathers catalog requirements. Like, first, before creating a catalog item, we have to understand that why we need this catalog item, right? I'm talking about not an example catalog item. I mean, that is something we are going to do, however, but what I'm trying to say is that in a real business, on a real company, they first requires, they gathers the catalog requirements. Why a catalog, new catalog is required? Maybe many of the users are gonna purchase this, many of the users are going to order that something, or something company has launches a new facility or new service, so that they want to put in the catalog item so that people can come from the service catalog and they can order. And you have already seen how to order from a catalog item, and where we can find the list, right, in my past videos. So again, if you missed that video, please start the service catalog, watch the full series, these three videos of service catalog specially to understand how it is working, right? So next, you can see business owners creates catalog items from templates that provided predefined values and controls. So yeah, that is the reason you should use template. So template means you can understand template not only in ServiceNow, but in generally template stands for, where all the predefined values are there, so that you can use it, and you can quickly create like catalog item here in this case. So preview catalog items in multiple channels, so you can test it from mobile phone and also from the laptop. Also, we will see how we can use ServiceNow, few features in the help of the ServiceNow mobile or Now Mobile later. Okay, and finally submit catalog items to make it available in the catalog, in the service catalog, so that people can see it. All the people, or all the users can see it, right? All right, so we will see some points of catalog builder. You can see first one is definitely create and edit catalog item. We can do that using visual and guided experience. So I'll show you without catalog builder how you can do that. That's also I'm going to show you, not in that much detail, but you will understand it, because if you understand already variable set from my first service catalog video, and you know how to create questions and stuff. Also, I'm going to show you, so stay tuned, watch the full video. Then you can create catalog item template. Catalog builder is created to support common and simple case. You have to remember where we can use the kind of a template concept for common and simple use cases. We can use catalog builder for, yeah, definitely some limitations are there in catalog builder that I'm gonna show you while creating the iPhone 14 catalog item. So you will understand why in some cases we need to use the traditional, the catalog item things, create new item and stuff, right? So that would be it for catalog builder understanding. I hope you have got an idea. Now let's go in the service now so that you can clear your concept of catalog builder, and let's create iPhone 14 catalog item. All right, so right now I'm in my personal developer instance of ServiceNow. So quickly I will go to the service catalog. Let me first show you how you can create, this catalog item without the help of catalog builder. This is the one we are going to use. So normally I'll go to the maintain items. So category, so list of the items you can check with the help of maintain items. Again, this has been discussed in the first service catalog different components video. So quickly I'm going to show you. This is the list of the catalog items that you can see right now. Okay, so you can just click this new option to create a new catalog item. So you can see there are 159 out of the box catalog item are here. So I'm gonna click on new, and you can see there would be so many fields where we need to fill up the information. For an example, like name of the catalog item. Well, the page is not loaded. Yeah, now it's loaded. A name of the catalog item, you have to give some name, right? Then under which catalog it is coming. So we have already understood the concept of catalogs, categories, and catalog item, and we know already how it is dependent. So you can mention the name of catalog item here, then which catalogs it is coming under, and then category. Okay, and then the owner you can mention details, process engine that I talked about, which flow it is following. Again, we will talk about it more in the next segment or with the next series, which is going to be for flow designer. And then you can add picture, pricing of the device, or whichever you are selling a service also, right? So this is how you can create from traditional catalog item view. We will come to that, but first let's create the new catalog item from the catalog builder. So if I click on all and search for service catalog, you can see this is the catalog builder. So if I click on it, it will open in a new tab. Why? Because if I go it again here, you can see there is a icon here. So that means it will open in a new tab, right? This arrow. Okay, so now catalog builder is loading. Again, this is an inbuilt feature of ServiceNow, and also it is important for the your exam purpose, right? Because for the Tokyo 2022 ServiceNow CS exam, catalog builder is there, part of the syllabus. Okay, so you can create a new catalog item or create a catalog item template also. So what we are gonna do is that we are gonna choose create a new catalog item. That's what we are gonna do. Okay, this is just the overview page, and these are the things we have to follow. So these are the steps. So I'm gonna click on continue. So select your item template. So it is asking which item or catalog item template which I'm gonna follow. So this is nothing but there would be predefined few questions, one or two questions that is part of the template. But don't worry, we're gonna create new questions also for our new iPhone 14 item. So let's see what we are gonna choose is this one, standard item service catalog. Okay, so I'll show you. You would be able to see few questions here. You can see this is the thing, basic info and short description. These are the things it will ask. Item name, short description, image description. So that would be there. Some categories, and each and everything would be controllable. So let's see. So this is the template I have chosen, and with the help of template, again I told you, right, the work becomes very easy. So I'm going to choose standard items in service catalog, and I'm going to click on this, use this template, and it's loading now. So first it will ask for a basic thing. So item name, what I'm going to give is iPhone 14. iPhone 14. That's would be name of our catalog. So hey, we are maybe I'm not gonna sure. So I'm not sure. So I'm gonna write from a perspective of a company that, I mean, we are creating this iPhone 14 catalog item so that our users from our company, they can order it, right? That's how it works in real life also. So hey, we are rolling out iPhone 14, although it's quite late. Okay, so iPhone 14. Okay, that is fine for the short description. Then image, yeah. So we need an image of iPhone 14. But before that, let me copy the short description and paste it in the description. Go and place your order. Okay. Now, definitely, this is if the user is going to order, definitely it is not going to, I mean, they are not going to pay for this, as per I told you, right, in the last video, that the company provide these cell phones and the laptops and devices. So based on your requirements, some company can provide you phone, or they may not provide you phone. So that depends. So suppose we are the company that providing, we are the Tech with Free company, we are providing the iPhone 14 to our clients. I'm sure client would be very happy. So let's go to Google quickly and let me download some picture. Let's type HD picture so that let's go to image. So maybe how about this one? This is looking good. This one is also good. So let's put this one. This is looking nice. Okay, I'm gonna copy this picture. Actually, I'm gonna choose save image. Let's save it on desktop. So I'm gonna save it here. It's done. So let me go back to my catalog. I'm gonna click attach file for the image. I'll go to desktop and this is our iPhone picture. So it will take few seconds to upload and you can see it is uploaded now already. So I'll go down and click on continue to location. So now which category we want to put this iPhone? Definitely it would be hardware category. So I'm going to click on edit selected category to remove all other category and only the hardware will be there, right? So here it comes. So it's quite like the form configuration or form layout, right? Or the list layout or list configuration things. So I'm gonna choose hardware. So I'm gonna select this, remove it. Only hardware would be there. I'm gonna click save selection. Yes, category would be hardware. So now continue to questions. Okay, now we are going to ask questions to the user, right? So first you can see under standard employee questions, this is coming under the template. So this would be two predefined questions in our iPhone category as per the template. So let it be there. Who is this request for? It's an important question, and when do you need this? That's also important. So we want to keep that, and we want to add new questions, insert new questions. You can see also you can add question set and other things, single column container and different things. So I'm going to click on new questions. So let's ask the question of, it should be a choice field and drop down with fixed values. Yeah, let it be. And the question level, so the question would be how much memory or how much storage you want. That's a very important one, right? Storage you want. So name would be automatically taken. So let me choose the storage. It's very easy. But however, we are not gonna work with the name things until unless we are moving into the ServiceNow development. So I'll go down, I'll choose this is a mandatory field, of course, because the storage has to be selected. And you can see in the right hand side, it is showing the preview. So this is how your question would come up in the item. So how much storage you want. Okay, there is no option as of now because we are gonna do that by clicking this continue to choice. So from here, I'm gonna choose, let's put first 128 GB because I'm quite sure there is no more 64 GB. So 128 GB, let's put, so next would be 256 GB, as you know. Okay, the value is automatically taking. Let's have this two one 128 and 256, fine. That would be, so you can see in the, here we can choose 128 GB, 256 GB, right? So then let's go to default value. Do you want any default value? We don't want it. No annotation is needed. Okay, so by default, what we want, it's selected 128 GB. So user can change it from 256 to 128. So by default, it would be 128 GB. You have also seen in Amazon also, this is how it looks like. So we will continue with annotation. It's done. Insert questions. So the question is inserted now. How much storage you want? Let's add another question. So I'm again gonna click on new questions. So this time I'm gonna choose the color, right? So again, it would be a choice type. So subtype would be fixed values. Yep. And the question would be choose your color. Choose your color. Yep. So the name would be, let's just put it color. Mandatory field. Let's go with the choice. So I'm gonna add a red one, which is one of my favorite. Then we have this time they have added the, I think the midnight, and what was the other? Let's put the default on, which is the, I think the gray one, right? So I'm not sure quite, but that's fine. We are testing. So it would be red, midnight gray. Again, for the default value, we will choose the red one as this is my favorite. Okay. So in your practice, you can add different things. So I'm going to click on insert question. So two questions we have already asked, how much storage you want and choose your order. Okay, and what do you think? What other options we can give? There could be other like, okay, I don't think any of the question is needed as of now. That's again, it's a test. I'm showing you, you can add as many questions as you want. So I'm going to click on continue to settings. Now in the settings, it is showing any of the field if I want to hide like hide attachment button or make attachment mandatory. So we don't want that. We will have the add to cart, add to wish list, all these options, which is fine. So I'm going to click on continue to access. Now here we don't gonna need any change available for if now here you can specify if you want to choose it for a specific users and if you want to choose it, I mean all the whether all the of your users in your company would be able to see it or maybe specific group of user would be able to see it. So you can add it. You can see on the right hand side who's this for. So it is written some information which you can read while you practice. And I'll go to the continue with fulfillment. Now for the flow, now this is the section where we will learn in the next, next segment, that is the flow designer. So from here, for the time being, I'm gonna choose any of the default flow service catalog item request just for the complete just for the completement of this category item. So continue to review. It is done. So I'm gonna click on preview to see if everything is working fine. So let's do that. I'm going to choose preview and you can see it is being loaded now. So here we go. Our iPhone 14 catalog item is almost ready. You can see we are getting all these options, right? Isn't it cool? So we have just created a new catalog item for iPhone 14, right? But we will see it and we will also do some steps. So first, before that, let me submit it. Now the item is being created, iPhone 14. Your item has been submitted. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to close it here. In my service now, I'm going to go to the maintain items from where I can see the list of the items, right? And let's see whether it is added or not before using this. Sorry, so it would be maintain items. Yeah, here we go. And from here, you can see our new catalog item is here. That is the iPhone 14. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see an item is created. Now, very importantly, we haven't fixed the price, right? We haven't set the price. So that we can do here right now. So you can see price is nothing. So I'll come here under the variables. You can see automatically two variable. We have created two questions and one variable set, that is the standard employee questions that we have used, right? So you can see it here. It is coming under the category hardware and catalog is service catalog, right? So that's how we have created with the help of catalog builder. And you can see in the catalog item, everything is updated. So how much storage you want, based on that, the color will change. So I'm going to select this questions, this variable. Now from here, I'll go down and I will click the 120 for 256 GB. I'm going to create. So I'm going to just add maybe I don't know, maybe $100 more, whatever the price would be for the base range, and it would be $100 more for the 256 GB variant. So I'll click on update and we will be back to our catalog item page. So I'll click on update here. We are in the variable page right now, so I'm going to click on update again. Now we are back here and let's fix the starting price. Maybe iPhone is pretty costly, so add it $999. $999. Or maybe for Take with Free, it would be not that much. Maybe make it available for $600. So hey, for $600, iPhone 14 is here in my company. Okay, so don't take it seriously. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna click on right click and save this. And now let's create. We can try it also from here, but let's not do that. Let's go back to ServiceNow. So what I want to do is that I am going to impersonate as any of the other user who is trying to order iPhone. So let's impersonate with Harry Ganguly, right? We have used Harry Ganguly in different videos in ACL probably, right? I can't remember. So now Harry Ganguly is logged in here in the service now, and as you know, Harry Ganguly does not need any particular role, right, to access the service catalog. Any user with the having the credential, they can access it. So I will, so I'll go to the self-service and service catalog, and remember it is there under the hardware categories. So from here I'll go to the hardware. So actually I should have added on the mobiles, but fine. Come on, hardware is, I mean mobile is also hardware. So from here you can see iPhone 14. This is our new category and see how good it is looking. So I'm gonna click on here. So you can see the price. Okay, I thought the price was showing on the dollar, but it was actually on rupees and it is showing 600 rupees for iPhone. So I think I should give a heading to everyone that iPhone is selling at 600 price. Okay. So you can see this is our picture and this is our description, which is quite short. Who is this requested for? Harry Ganguly. It is showing. When do you need this? Now, these options are from the default. You can see. So when do you need this? I'm gonna choose maybe tomorrow. How much storage? 128 rate. So if I'm gonna click 256 GB, you can see it is adding $100. Okay. So the price set to 600, but if I add it 256, I've added $100, the price would be $100 more. So that's why it is being added. I mean, that's why it will become, if I choose 256 GB, you can see it is become 8,835. But if I select 128 GB, because I have selected that, so I've choose the price. Default price is $600. So actually, I've chosen 600 or Indian rupees. Okay. INR, and then I've added, if I change it from 128 to 256, $100 would be added. So that's why the price is showing like this. Sorry. And I can choose the color from here. You can see, let's choose midnight, and then I can place the order. Now it will follow, the order will follow like a normal catalog, service catalog request, the process engine that we have selected. Now in the next video, we will see how we can create a flow designer and use this in the catalog item itself. Okay, so make sure you watch that video, guys, and I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope it is clear to you how you can create a catalog item with the help of the catalog builder. And also, I believe you would be able to create a catalog item from the maintain items. If you have any question, come to the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share with your friends and families so that it can reach out to many people. See you in my next video. Bye bye.